Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to set up account alerts on Fidelity. Let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of methods. The first is the online setup, and how you want to do this is by first accessing your Fidelity account online, and then when you're logged in, you want to choose the account and trade option, and then select account settings. Now you want to select the alert option and choose set up alerts. Now just choose the type of alert that you want to set up. That could be account balance alerts, dividend payment alerts, trade confirmation alerts, or margin call alerts. And then just specify the criteria for the alerts, such as account balance threshold or specific stock symbols and whatever. And then just select how you want to receive the alerts, email, text message, or push notifications. And then just review the alert details and confirm your setup. Now for a mobile app setup, what you want to do is open the Fidelity mobile app on your device, and then choose the more option and select account settings. Then you want to select the alerts options and choose set up alerts. Now you just want to complete the same steps as the online setup process above, and yeah, that'll set up your account alerts. Now for phone setup, what you want to do here is to call Fidelity's customer service. The number is right there on the screen, and that's going to connect you to a representative, and just inform the representative that you want to set up account alerts, and share the alert details with the representative, including alert types, criterias, and delivery method, and confirm your alert setup, and they're going to help you to take care of that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up account alerts on Fidelity. Those are the three methods. I hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.